My name is Hatim. I am from London and my background is Arabic. I'm half Syrian and I'm half Iraqi. Grew up in a flat in a block on a council estate. In the first year, I was not very conscious of budgeting until actually the Bath Bursary came in. But once you get the first payment, you kind of come to the realization that you're not a perfect human being. Like, you might spill water on your laptop one day and then it's just corrupted. Your phone cracks or your wallet's lost, and these little mistakes that occur can have a really big impact. To have that lump sum is very helpful and very reassuring in terms of not only bills, general day-to-day activities, but talking rent. Without having that lump sum paid in for the Bath Bursary, with them understanding that your parents aren't necessarily able to assist you in the same ways that other students are able to get that assistance, it's a blessing, yeah. The Hardship Fund has been really helpful for me in times of severe financial problems. It is extremely helpful. What was really nice about it was the realization and the reassurance that it wasn't just me that was seeing that this was a difficult situation. By pouring through my bank accounts and highlighting and figuring it all out and realizing that I wasn't spending that much money, it's less of a charity and more of a tool. And yeah, that's how I view it now.